In today's video, I will teach you the quickest way to fixing skin tone in Lightroom. Let's get started. First, go to the basic panel in the Develop module. Then use the white balance eyedropper and select a neutral area in your image. This sets a balanced baseline for colors including skin tones. Then adjust the temperature and tint sliders manually if needed. You can increase the temperature for a warmer skin tone. Then adjust the tint to correct any green or magenta cast. Now we're going to fine-tune the skin colors with HSL or color panel. To do this, go to the HSL or color panel, then focus on the orange and sometimes red sliders. Then move the orange hue slider slightly to the right towards yellow for a warmer tone or to the left towards red for cooler tones. Then lower the orange saturation slightly to reduce overly vivid skin tones or increase for vibrancy. Then increase the orange luminance to brighten the skin and make it look softer. If needed, you can apply local adjustments. If specific areas need targeted adjustments, you can use the masking tool. To do this, select the brush mask or select subject mask in the Develop module. Then apply a mask to the skin areas that needs correction. Then you can adjust the temperature or tint, exposure, and clarity settings. And you can enable reference view by pressing Shift-R to compare your adjustments against the original or a reference photo. This ensures the skin tone looks natural and consistent. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.